What's up, guys? It's Nick from F150LEDs.com. Today we've got a new product that we wanted to introduce to you, and it's our LED bar wireless control unit here. So what this is going to do is three things. One, it's going to make the installation of our LED bars extremely easy because it's no longer necessary to run a wired switch inside the cab, which sometimes is the most difficult part of an install when you're putting on an LED paladin bar like the ones you see here. Secondly, it's going to give you more control over the operation of your LED bars because you're no longer going to have to be inside the cab of the truck because you're going to be able to operate it with a remote just like this. All right, so if you're at the campsite, the work site, or wherever you are and you need some extra light, you just hit the button, boom, and you've got light. Okay, you don't have to traverse back, you don't have to drop what's in your hands to get back to the truck and hit this switch that's inside the cab. Okay, and then obviously you'll be able to cut it right off with that wireless remote as well. The third thing that we built into this wireless unit to give your bar some more function and value is some strobe functions. So you've got a slow strobe function. So this is obviously going to make you more noticeable and draw more attention to yourself. And then you've also got a fast blink function. Okay, so this is definitely going to get people's attention if you need to do that. All right, again, you can cut those off directly from the remote. So how it works is basically you're just going to take our standard thermal braided heavy sheath harness, and where the switch plugs into that harness, you disconnect the switch, and this is going to go right in between the harness and switch. So this side will go to your harness, and then the switch will plug into the other side, and that's it. Now if you don't want to run that switch inside the cab, you can leave this wireless unit under the hood of your truck secured. It's fully aluminum, weatherproof. You don't have to worry about weather conditions or it failing or anything like that. Now a unique feature of our wireless unit here is if you also want to have the wired switch, that's all good. You run the wired harness inside the cab, you install this between the switch, and then you install the switch on your dash, and now you can control the bar both wirelessly with this remote and with the switch that's mounted on the dash. So our wireless control unit here is a great addition to any existing or new Paladin LED bar optic that you're looking to equip your Ford F-150 with. Now, as always, you can find it at F150LEDs.com along with all of our custom-built LED lighting products built specifically for your Ford F-150. We truly appreciate your support. Be sure to click the subscribe button below, and we'll see you at F150LEDs.com soon. Thanks, guys.